Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. We have got the sweetest little guest today. This is my little Stetson Gray. He is 1 year old and he is our 5th grandson and our 6th grandbaby. And he is just the most precious thing, y'all. Look at that. He's going to help Gigi cook today. I wasn't going to leave him out, and we are going to be making some cookies. His little nickname is Chunk Chunk. So we're going to be making chunks, peanut butter, chocolate chunk cookies. You ready for this, buddy?
Give me 5.
Are you ready? Give Papa 5. All right. Good job. Good job. So we are got all this little stuff here, and I hope he'll be just fine doing it. Come on, let's dump the butter in. You ready? We're going to dump it in. We are going to add 3/4 cup of soft butter.
Oh, there went the spoon in with the butter. He's helping already. Look at that.
Look, he's ready to mix it, honey. He's on it. He is on it. So 1.5 sticks of butter. That's what is 3/4 cup. Y'all, I've been so excited for this one, and I know it's going to be a little bit unorganized, but I don't care. I'm so excited to make some little cookies with our little Stetson Gray. You see it, darling? You see it? All right, so we've got 3/4 cup of butter, just soft. I'm going to have a cup of white sugar. Let Gigi pour it in. 1 cup. I guess I can move this stuff. 1 cup of brown sugar. Look at him. Oh, he's tasting, y'all. And these are his cookies. He can taste if he wants to, all right?
Yep, they're going home with him.
They are going home with him. Look, is it good? Is it good? He's like, I don't know.
I don't know about that one.
All right, now I'm going to put the eggs in, so we won't let him taste that. I'm going to scoop the eggs. Oh, my. 2 eggs. 2 eggs. All right, little man. All right, we're going to put some vanilla flavoring in here. I'm just going to guesstimate, but about 2 teaspoons, y'all. Ooh, look at it go.
Yeah.
Hold on, it's got eggs in it. Hold on. And 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. Here, taste that. Taste it. You get your little taste. Peanut butter. Oh, you like that. Oh, get it. Give it a taste. Taste it. Good. No, eat it. He's going to put it right back in there. All right, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. All this goodness. Now, I sprayed this, so this will just come right out. That's a little trick when you're using peanut butter in a measuring cup.
He finally got around to tasting it.
Is it good? Look, he said... That's funny. All right, look, buddy. I'm
going to have some more of that.
We're going to stir it. Ready? Shook. We're going to mix this up, y'all. Look, buddy. You want to hold it? Oh, wait, look. Look, hold it. Hold it. Oh, wait. Look, right. Good job.
Look at you being a big boy.
Good job, Bubba. Oh, my goodness. Gigi's big boy. Look at you. All right, we got that mixed up. This is what it's looking like, y'all. Got peanut butter. Got peanut butter on me.
Creamy.
Creamy. All right, now I have got... He wants to do it again. He's ready for it. I have got 2.5 cups.
And Miss Harriet, she never knew that when she sent you that mixer, that she was going to send you a toy for the baby.
I know. Every time I use this mixer, I really do. I think of
her too. Every single time.
Oh my.
Every single video we're using it, I'm thinking of sweet Miss Harriet.
I do.
Thank you, Miss Harriet.
Thank you. So we've got 2.5 cups of just all-purpose flour, and we're going to put about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. He took my spoon, y'all, so I'm just guesstimating. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All right?
You're measuring with your heart.
I am definitely measuring my heart. Give that to Gigi just a second. I'm going to give that a little whisker with that. Here, look at this one. Look at this one. Oh, look at there, y'all. Look at Papa. Look at Papa. Look at Papa.
Hey, buddy.
Look at Papa. All right, we're gonna mix it up. All right, in it goes to the peanut butter mixture here. You can do it slow. I'm just gonna do one big dump right now because we're gonna get this boy, look. We're gonna get him a mixing. Come on, let's scoot over. Let's scoot over. Ready? Ooh, look at there. He's doing it, Papa. Look at him go. Good job. High five. Good job. Good job, buddy. Look at us go. We're going to make us some cookies. Cookies? That's just flour. I don't think you'll like that one. That's the flour. Look at you. My goodness. Stir it. We're going to stir it. All right, y'all. We got them all mixed up. I got my baking sheet ready. This one's ready for it, honey. Ready for it. And I'm going to clear all this off, and we're going to start making our little balls and cook our little cookies. Yay! Look at Papa. Look at Papa. Look at Papa. Say, hey, Papa. We're making cookies.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to clean it up, and then we're going to get back to it. All right, y'all. We got our little pan. We got us a little ice cream scoop. Look, Bubba. What's a ball? We're going to roll it. Here, hold it. Hold it. Look, no, hold it. Hold it. What is it? What is it?
He's like, I don't know about that.
He's like, I don't know. We're just going to set it on here. Y'all give it a little press. Look, just get another one. Look. You want chocolate? You want chocolate? Ooh, here. Oh, wait.
Yes, he does.
Is it good? Sit down. You're scaring Gigi. Sit down. Sit. Get a chocolate. Sit down. Oh, it's good, ain't it, baby? These are going to be some nice big cookies. We just going to give them a little press there. Sit down. Look. You want to hold it? You want to hold it? Roll and press. Roll and press. Here, you get this one. Sit down. Good job. Here, stir it. Stir it. Stir it for Gigi. Oh my goodness. Look at us go. Get it, Bubba. All right, we just we're just rolling these little balls, and we just going to put them in there and press them down. Good job. Good job,
buddy.
All right, I think we're going to just leave it like this because I don't know. These are going to spread out a little bit. And we are going to cook them in this oven at 350 for 12 minutes. Give me, good, look. Give Gigi 5. Good job. Oh, we missed. Good job. Yay. Look at Papa. Tell him we going to cook them. All right, we going to cook them, y'all. And we'll be back to taste them. And let this big boy taste them. And he's not going to tell us what he thinks about it, but I guess you'll see a big old smile. But Papa's going to. All right, y'all, fresh out the oven, 12 minutes. Now, of course, I'm not going to let the baby get burned on these, but I'm going to just take these off, and we're going to cook the second batch. And let's see, it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 25 cookies out of this batch. So, and they're nice big cookies. So
they smell delicious.
They do. Woo. So we're gonna get that next batch going. Y'all, our little cookies is ready. Is my little cookie ready for a cookie?
Little chunk.
Oh, let's get cookie. Ooh, Papa, you ready to taste?
Papa's been ready to taste.
Look. Oh, he's got his milk, y'all. He's
ready.
He's ready for it. Oh, look. One cookie. Look at these big old cookies, y'all.
Man.
Oh my goodness, my kitchen smells good.
It does.
Peanut butter chocolate chunk.
What?
Look.
Look at that.
Look. One cookie? He's not hungry, y'all. Look.
No, he done been sampling as we go.
Look. Want a cookie?
Hey.
Get your cookie. Look. Get your cookie.
Stetson.
Look.
Y'all, look at here.
Papa.
Look at here.
Look at Papa. Oh, that chocolate's melted. Oh my
What?
goodness. Here. Want one? Bite. Eat. There you go. Cookie.
What?
Cheers, Papa.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Is it good?
Mmm.
Ooh, it's good. He's going to put it back.
Mmm.
Like I said, it's his cookies.
Fantastic. He did awesome.
Good. He did.
Fantastic.
You did good job.
Yeah. Mmm. He knows what's up. Mmm.
He's good.
Yummy. Yummy.
So y'all, this is a really, really simple
Yeah.
little recipe. Some no-fail.
Even a 1-year-old.
Yes. Bless his little heart. They are good. They are delicious. This is perfect for any little gathering. It don't have to be Christmas. It can be anything. Like I said, all my little grandbabies, when I ask them what they want when we have Sunday supper or whatever, they want chocolate chip cookies.
When they come over and spend the night.
Yes, that's what they want. Cookies is in order, ain't it, darling?
Yes, it is.
He is he's over it. He's done had his cookies. He's after his milk now. I guess I shouldn't been feeding him. But anyway, that's what GGs do, right?
That's exactly right.
Uh-huh.
That's what's expected.
Mm-hmm. But these are good, y'all. They're still warm. They're delicious. You want more? Oh. That's a big cookie for a little boy.
You gonna trade it out?
Yes, that's a big cookie, ain't it? Bite. Chomp. It's good. It's good. He gonna take a bite and lay it down. Get him some milk. Anyway, y'all, I hope you try this little recipe. And if you do, y'all know the deal. Just holler. Let me know in the comments. And tell little Stetson how good he did.
Absolutely.
We'll tell him all about it.
We sure will.
This has really, really been a fun little series for us. Spending some one-on-one time with all our little sugar babies. I don't know who's enjoyed it the most. I think it would be me.
I don't know. I've enjoyed it as much.
Yes, but it has been fun, and thank y'all so much for watching and loving on all of them.
Yeah, we appreciate all the comments.
Love the comments, love it, and we telling them all about it.
They've enjoyed it too, y'all. They really
have.
have. They enjoy seeing themselves.
They love it. One of them said, "I'm gonna go to school and tell everybody I'm on TV." I said, "You go do that, baby. You do that." But anyway. So, we wish y'all happy holidays, Merry Christmas.
Yes.
And
go make memories with your family.
Go make some memories. That's right.
That's what this is about for us. That's why we did this. And we'll always have this to look back on with our grandbabies.
Yes, and they will have it as well. Yep. But anyway, until next time.
Peace. Can you give them a... Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah.
Our little wolf pup.
Yeah.
Good job.